The Boeing 747 aircraft has different sets of wheels. A10, B5, C4, D8. The correct answer is 5. The landing gears have an hour's time between overhaul. A 50,000, B 5,000, C 2,000, D 20,000. The correct answer is 20,000. Modern gliders are generally equipped with a single wheel in order to minimize A drag, B thrust, C crosswind, D airspeed. The correct answer is drag. The Airbus A382 sets of 6-wheel bogies under the A engine, B tail, C wings, D fuselage. The correct answer is fuselage. Most retraction systems are operated A thermally, B hydraulically, C mechanically, D electronically. The correct answer is hydraulically. Which of the following had a retractable tail bumper wheel? A. The Concorde, B. Airbus A340, C. MD-80, D. Boeing 767. The correct answer is the Concorde. Which of the following controls the steering of an aircraft while it is on the ground? A. Rudder, B. Trim tab, C. Tiller, D. Empennage. The correct answer is tiller. Which of the following is the compartment where the wheels are stored in a retractable landing gear system? A. Wheel dumper, B. Wheel store, C. Wheel wells, D. Wheel safe. The correct answer is wheel wells. Steering an aircraft on the ground by exclusively using the rudder requires a substantial amount of airflow to be moving past the rudder. A. False, B. True, C. D. The correct answer is true. 3 greens refer to the landing gear being down and locked. A. False, B. True, C. D. The correct answer is true.